Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Cruze key fob. First, take a moment to identify the exact model of your key fob, as designs can vary slightly. Next, you will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to assist with the opening process. Finally, make sure you are working in a clean and well-lit area to prevent losing any small components and to clearly see the key fob's features. Now, let's find the opening point on your key fob. Most Chevy Cruze key fobs have a small notch or a visible seam along the edge. This is typically located near where the key ring attaches. Take your time to carefully inspect the entire perimeter of the fob to identify the most accessible spot to begin prying it open. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. With your tool ready, insert the tip into the notch or seam you located. Gently twist or apply light pressure to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing begins to separate. It is very important to use minimal force during this step to prevent any damage to the plastic casing or internal components. Work your way around the seam if needed. Once open, you will see the battery. Most Chevy Cruze key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Carefully note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up before removing it. Replace the old battery with a new CR2032, ensuring the correct polarity. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them back together until they snap securely. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.